Hey y'all, Willie here. We recently added a new style shed to our product inventory in response to customer request. We're calling it the Deluxe Cottage. Please stick around to the end of the video to see what this shed will cost to put in your backyard. Before we take a look, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to support the content that we're making for you. As we're looking at the Deluxe Cottage, please tell us in the comments what you like, don't like, what you would do differently, or how you could see yourself using it. The Deluxe Cottage that we have sitting here is a 10x16, and from the outside as we walk around it, a few things that are unique about this shed is that it has a 612 Cathedral Roof Pitch, a 1-foot roof overhang, a 30-year Architectural Shingle Roof. I'd like to point out that the shingles can be substituted for metal for the same price, 8-foot exterior wall height, huge low-E insulated windows, a 9-light steel door with a deadbolt and keyed knob. All of our sheds have the LP Smart Siding with a 50-year warranty. Normally we use a metal trim like you see on this shed over here, but our Deluxe Cottage actually has a LP Smart trim. We paint all of our sheds with a Bare Premium exterior paint and have a wide selection of color options to choose from. All of these features give this shed a nice aesthetic so customers can have a truly beautiful building in their backyard they can be proud of. I'll point out before we walk inside that we built all of our sheds on skids for easy transport. This is built on 2 4x6 pressure-treated skids, and when it's delivered, we would block, level, and anchor it as needed. Also note that the exterior floor joist is treated wood. What do you think? Is there anything on the exterior that you love or hate? What would you do differently if this was yours? As we walk inside the shed, look at how roomy it feels with these gigantic windows. It feels so spacious and well lit. I could easily see someone turning this into an art studio or maybe even a workshop. The floors in this building are solid. It's built with floor joists 16 inches on center, block and grid bracing for added strength, and 3/4-inch CDX plywood floors. We use 2x4 studs in the walls, 16 inches on center. We also have wind braces in the corners for added strength and to keep the walls from twisting over time. Notice there are 2x4 bottom and top plates in here, which doesn't come standard in a lot of sheds. When you look at the roof, you will notice the 2x6 ridge beam with 2x4 rafters 24 inches on center. We use a 1/2-inch OSB roof decking with felt between the decking and the shingles or metal. Well, what do you think, y'all? Would you put this Deluxe Cottage in your backyard? Would you change anything about it? Or would you take it as is? We'd love to hear your thoughts, so tell us what you think in the comments. As promised, this 10x16 Deluxe Cottage only costs $9,092 plus tax. Atlas offers free delivery within 50 miles of any of our Texas locations. If you're in the area, come see us. See y'all.